I don't know, man. I hate this job. I just can't wait for the weekend. Really, bro? So why don't you just quit? So that every day is gonna be like a weekend. Quit? But I need the money. Where am I gonna start from? Alright. I know. I think I know some strategies you can use. Let's dive right in. How many more years do you think you got left to live? Do you want to spend all those years behind a desk with the same morning routine, with the same maybe gossiping colleagues, with an annoying boss? How many more years do you think you can take that? For how long can you keep on doing the same thing over and over and over again while waiting for the weekend? In this video, you will understand 5 simple steps that you must take before you quit your job. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Step number 1. You need to have a goal. Why do you want to quit your job? What's your reason? What's your motive? Do you want to feel free paying bills? Do you want to be able to give your family the best life? Do you want to be able to get your mom and dad a house? Make sure that all your kids get the best education? That's a goal. You can get your goal to keep you motivated as you start your journey. Before you quit your job and before you start the business, you need to have a goal. You need to decide what you want to be, what you want your life to be. How do you want your life to be? Do you want to live a happy life? Do you want to be able to go on vacations every month? Do you want to be able to work from anywhere in the world? That's a goal. That should be your driving force. So once you get a goal, then you are good to go. Even if you got a 9-to-5 job, when you get a goal, then you can move to the next step. Now let's head to number 2. Step number 2. Start saving. You gotta start saving. If you want to quit your job, you need to make the plan and start saving. This is very important because entrepreneurship is not an easy task. Trust me, it's tough. Entrepreneurship is gonna beat you down, break you left and right. You will feel so devastated, but you can't give up. That is the reason why you need to start saving while you're working at your 9-to-5 job. When you start saving, you make a budget that can get you for maybe over a year because like I said in my previous video, so many businesses fail in the first year of startup. So if you want to survive when you start being an entrepreneur, you should do your best to save up so that when the turbulence starts in the business, you will be able to hold your ground. And again, when you save and then you quit your job and you start your business, you will feel more confident about yourself. You will feel more confident about taking risks. You can take any risk you want. That's what it means to be an entrepreneur. You need to be able to take the risk. And taking the risk requires you to be in a comfortable financial situation or in a comfortable financial place. So if you start saving early in your 9-to-5 job and then it gets to time when you have to quit, you will have no huge worries. So start saving, guys. Okay, so point number 3, do your research. You need to do research both online and offline. You need to ask yourself some questions. Is this what I want to do? Will it be a good choice if I quit my 9-to-5 job to start this business, to start being an entrepreneur in this field? Will it be a good idea? Will it be sustainable? Is this going to lead me to my goal? Will I be happy doing this? You should do research. And you can even ask some of your colleagues at your workplace, just in a joking way, just ask them, what do you think about this business? How do you see this sector of this business or that sector of that business? You can get the point of view. That way you can better understand what you're heading into. Go online, go to Google, go to YouTube, do research in as many places as you can. Understand the niche that you're trying to get into. That's how you do research. And that's how you know if what you're trying to get into is going to lead you to your goal, which will in turn lead you to the life you want to live. Easy. Point number 4, the side hustle trick. Before you quit your 9 to 5 job, make sure that you do the side hustle trick. Before you start the business you're planning to go into when you quit your job, try to do it as a side hustle. Try to get some customers. Try it out. Think. Try to analyze. Can it pay your bills? Can it be sustainable? Can you live off that business? Do it as a side hustle. When you get off work and you go home, try to create about 2 to 3 hours every single day and put it into your side hustle, which can in the long run become your full-time hustle, your full-time business. But then, guys, do not stay too long doing it as a side hustle. Of course, you need to do this side hustle while you are doing your 9 to 5 job. But then don't do it for too long, because when you do it for too long, you get too comfortable. Time is money. So it's your time to make sure that you take the bold step, all in or nothing. That's what it means to be an entrepreneur. So once you are doing what you intend to do as a side hustle, make sure that you understand if it can pay your bills and if it can be sustainable. That way you can know when to quit. It's like a symmetry. You got your 9 to 5 job, you got your side hustle, which you intend in the long run to use as your full-time job or your full-time business. Now, this is your 9 to 5 job and this is your side hustle. It overlaps like this. It goes and it goes. This is your 9 to 5 job. This is your hustle, your side hustle. What you plan to quit your job and go to the. Don't be too fast and don't be too slow. It goes smoothly like this. It fits right in, straight. And once it gets to this point, then you are good to go. When you realize that this is okay and it's equal to this, and it can match your needs, and you can live the life you want, and you can be free, and you don't need to do any morning routine as usual, Monday to Friday, and then hoping for the weekend, then you can quit your job because your side hustle has become equal to your job. And in the long run, your side hustle is going to be beyond your job. Okay, guys, let's get into the last and final point. Number 5. You need to fail fast. Fail fast, guys. You need to embrace failure. Actually, there's nothing like failure. You're just learning. When you fail, you get stronger. When you fail, you get more experience. It makes you see things from a bird's eye view. So you need to fail. Embrace failure. At the beginning, it's normal. So many entrepreneurs experience failure at the beginning. I'm sure most of the billionaires out there, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, they have experienced lots of failures. Before Elon Musk could send a rocket to space, he had to try over and over and over again. And he finally succeeded. And today he's reaping the benefits. Entrepreneurs go through a turbulence period. They fail sometimes. It's okay to fail. It's very okay to fail. But don't fail and stay down. When you fail, you get up and you keep moving. That's how you win. That's how you build a successful business. So when you're about to start your business, even if you're doing it as a side hustle, make sure that you embrace the failure. Because it's actually not failure. It's actually a win for you. You need to have a winner mindset. In a way that even if you fail, you gotta see it as a win. Because you learn something from that failure. That is how you win. Get ready to fail. That's the step for you to become a successful entrepreneur. If you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Oh, don't forget to click the bell so that you can get notifications anytime I upload a new video. That way you can learn so much more and you can start that business and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. This is Willen. See you next time.